Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, as an affiliate market over the years, I've tried several methods by which I can get sales and leads to my site and platform, but almost all, or may I say all, the method I tried didn't give me the results I want. So, as a software developer, I've developed a software which I've been using for a while now that's been giving me really good sales. As you can see on the screen, these are the results which my software gave one of my students who got my software and video course and is really doing fine, as you can see on the screen. And remember, most people are watching my videos and they are still waiting. I don't know what's delaying you from getting the software, but remember that if you not learn, you won't earn. And it's not really about following the old method and the general rules. They are new. It is those who try new method and that really have the vision or the brighter future in this kind of business, which is the affiliate marketing business. Because my software has really been doing fine and it's up for sale now. And remember, if you want to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. So text me today and get the software and start earning. And remember, I manage accounts for my students also. If you are getting my software and you need account management, I can manage accounts for you. And I'm always accessible to my students. You can always contact me and ask for help, and I will render it, because that's my job when my students are really making it. So to get the software today, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. And remember, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use my software on other digital affiliate marketing platforms to get leads and sales to your site. So don't forget to text me today and get your software and video course, which will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales to your platforms at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Thank you.